I haven't cleaned my washing machine in a long time. The clothes don't come out smelling fresh anymore. Normally, you're supposed to deep-clean your washing machine once every 3 months. But if you live in a hard water area like me, it is important to pay attention to your machine more often. That's because limescale builds up quickly, leading to blockages and foul-smelling laundry. By cleaning your washing machine regularly, you can also save money on repairs. Right now, I'm going to give my washing machine a proper deep clean. I've filmed the process for you to follow along. These are the basic steps for any front-loading washing machine. First things first, turn off the power as you should when you clean any electrical appliance. Put on some gloves, we will be dealing with some nasty gunk. Let's check the detergent drawer. Press the release button and gently remove the tray. As you can see, it is covered in slime and hard water stains. First, soak the drawer in warm water to soften the buildup. Next, with the help of a scrubber, try to get out as much dirt as possible. I'm going to try and get rid of these stubborn limescale marks with this cleaner. This is easily available in any local hardware store. Pour a little bit of the solution on a cloth and let it sit for 15 minutes. Later, give the container a good scrub until there is no residue left. Before we put the tray back in its position, there is one more thing we need to take care of. This area is called the detergent housing. The shower holes you see here supply water to the detergent tray. With a toothbrush, I am going over these holes to clear any blockages. You could also add some soap for persistent stains. Wipe down the area with a microfiber cloth, air it out for some time. After it is dry, you can put the drawer back in its place. Down here, we need to do a little bit of cleaning. The reason for doing this is after every wash, there is some water from the tub that doesn't fully empty. So we need to get rid of that water manually. Pull this tube out, remove the cap and drain any water that comes out. Next, rotate this plug and drain all the water left inside of it. Get your finger inside and get all the grime out. You'll be surprised sometimes buttons and coins collect here. Wipe the insides with a microfiber cloth and put the cover back on. Now, let's take care of the inlet hose. Disconnect the pipe and give it a good clean. Make sure it is free of any buildup. This part is going to be nasty. Water collects here and if it is not cleaned on time, the drum starts to stink. What we can do is pull back the rubber liner and with a wet microfiber cloth, go around inside the gasket to remove all the dirt and moisture. Check the inner side of the door. I see some hard water stains here. Let's wipe it down with a cleaning spray. Last thing you need to remember is every month you need to run a hot wash with a descaler. Every part of the machine exposed to water develops limescale buildup. The descaler will unclog all the buildup in the drum and also get rid of foul stains. Make sure to follow the instructions on the pack. Turn on the hottest water setting and run a full cycle. And that is how I clean my washing machine. Like I said earlier, you need to deep clean your machine at least once every 3 months for it to run smoothly. Here's what we covered in this video. We started by cleaning the detergent tray, removing all the dirt and buildup. Next, we cleaned the filter at the bottom of the machine. And finally, we clean the drum. This is pretty much what you can do to make sure your washing machine stays clean. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.